Hello guys. How are you? In the previous video we talked about why you should ditch cooking oils and margarine. Today we are going to talk about coconut oil and the main reasons why you should use it right away, replacing all your cooking oils with coconut oil. Here you will have access to the most scientifically based studies and learn, for example, why coconut oil is so dear to scientists and authorities from the biggest universities. Stay until the end and you won't regret it. We're here to help. Your health is worth much more than these 5 minutes of video. Let's get to the points. Coconut oil is made by pressing fresh coconut meat or dried coconut meat called copra. Coconut oil was swiftly struck down during its rise to popularity because of unreasonable claims. Now, it's slowly becoming more widely accepted once again as people wake up to the truth about the benefits of coconut. The epidemiological studies observed people from Samoa, the Philippines, New Zealand, and New Guinea consuming whole coconut as part of their traditional diets. Overall, their diets were similar: coconut flesh and milk, fresh fruit, vegetables, and fish. Studies found that those who ate higher amounts of coconut oil had increased beneficial HDL cholesterol levels. Coconut oil is a rich source of medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, a type of saturated fat. In general, saturated fats are divided into 3 subgroups, each of which has different effects in your body. These subgroups are long-chain, medium-chain, and short-chain. Scientists are studying medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, including those found in coconut oil, for their potential health benefits. Early studies actually show that medium-chain triglycerides can potentially help those with dementia and even Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is considered by some to be like diabetes for the brain. In a nutshell, fat-storing hormone issues make it difficult for certain parts of the brain to use glucose for energy. Your brain loves ketones. Experts suggest that ketones may even be an excellent alternative energy source for the brain to increase brain function and reduce the symptoms of Alzheimer's. An exciting study done in 2006 found that the consumption of medium-chain triglycerides led to the improvement in patients with more mild forms of Alzheimer's disease. A 2004 study published in the Journal of Neurobiology of Aging demonstrated that the MCTs found in coconut oil improved the memory problems their older subjects were experiencing. All patients felt the benefits of coconut oil in the study and saw a marked improvement in their recall ability after taking the fatty acid. It's thought that this is due to MCTs being absorbed more easily in the body. As they can be accessed in the brain without the use of insulin, they can more efficiently fuel brain cells. Are you enjoying the content? Share with who you love. The fatty acids in coconut oil are effective in killing off and protecting against harmful fungi, viruses, and bacterium. Essentially, it helps boost immunity and may prevent infections. For example, the substances in these fatty acids have been found to help kill dangerous bacterium like Staphylococcus aureus and also the common source of yeast infections, Candida. Coconut oil has antimicrobial and antifungal properties due to its MCT content, specifically lauric acid. Lauric acid is a fatty acid that makes up about 50% of the MCTs in coconut oil. Research suggests it may have antimicrobial effects against disease-causing microorganisms. Studies show that lauric acid may act as a bacteriostatic agent. This is a substance that prevents bacteria from multiplying without killing the bacteria. It also acts as a bactericidal agent, which destroys some bacteria. There are many life-enhancing uses for coconut oil, but one of the most fun results takes place in the bedroom. You'd use it in there for the same reasons that you'd use it in other rooms in the house. It's yummy, it's organic, it's all natural, and it stops things from sticking. I'm talking about sex, people. Not only does coconut oil feel, taste, and smell good when used to add a little flavor to your sex life, but it also happens to be good for you. It's moisturizing and, as noted above, it's antifungal and antibacterial, which means it does a great job at preventing yeast infections, unlike riskier foods like whipped cream. As with any oil, coconut oil shouldn't be used with latex condoms because it will weaken the latex, resulting in tears. Coconut oil is high in natural saturated fats. That may not sound like a positive, but the saturated fats in coconuts work in a different way than those found in animal-derived foods like butter, cream, cheese, and meat. According to an evidence-based complementary and alternative medicine study, coconut oil increases the healthy cholesterol, known as HDL, in your body. By increasing the HDL in the body and changing the ratio of HDL to LDL, the saturated fat in coconut oil helps promote heart health and lower the risk of heart disease. The natural saturated fats in coconut oil actually raise good HDL cholesterol. Studies have also shown that these saturated fats may turn the bad LDL cholesterol into a less harmful form. This is only one reason many experts believe coconut oil is good for heart health. This video is coming to an end, but we'll be back with more information about the benefits of coconut oil. You can use it on your hair, on your skin, ingest it. Everything in moderation, but with incredible tranquility. Thing that those who eat cooking oil and margarine cannot do, because it spoils their health. In summary, we've seen that coconut oil is good for your heart, good for your brain, and acts as an antifungal and antibacterial. Thanks for following the channel. Share with who you love. Bye-bye. Want to help maintain this channel? Visit our website healthchannelstore.com.